Hello and welcome. My name is Carsten Lützen. I'm a Scrum Master and Agile Coach. Today I'll share something that we can either use to start up a retrospective or a coaching session, or just a normal conversation. If you like these videos, as always, please subscribe and share. That would be awesome. I have tried to learn new tools within the solution-focused coaching, and one of the tools that I see applied again and again is a super simple question. But it fosters so many reflections. Doesn't matter if we're using it in a coaching conversation or if we're using it at a retrospective. For instance, use this at the beginning of a retrospective, simply getting people together asking, so, since last time we were in a retrospective, what's better? And let the people have some time to reflect. If we're in a group setting, maybe use one tool for all to make sure that everybody can form their opinion. And just out of this simple question, what's better? Then we can follow up with questions figuring out how can we amplify these things that are better, how can we make it even greater? And that's it. No big fancy question, simply just what's better since last session? What is better since last retrospective? And have people to come into this positive mood where they focus on the things that work instead of the things that are troubling and doesn't work. It's really a nice way to start up a meeting, making sure that everybody is energized. If you have similar questions or similar nice go-tos, then please share. That would be awesome. And that's it for me. As always, comments, questions, ideas, and feedback are more than welcome. Have a nice day.